Right, people have to do one video again because apparently my sound settings were not very good. I was talking about the monitoring and tracking the One More Orbit flight that also is to celebrate the Apollo 11 mission half a century ago. It's funded by, for instance, Inmarsat, which is a satellite communications provider. They were in the beginning there especially for marine, and now also support services to planes. So you can actually receive internet while flying on a international flight. Following the plane, I found these little balloons there. First I thought they might be exclamation marks or something like that, or points of interest like the blue ones you see, but apparently these are balloons. And I had to look it up, but those are the balloons launched by Google for Project Loon. And they're drifting all over the place nowadays. And the whole purpose of that is to give internet support to locations on the earth where there is no fiber access or no radio towers, as many flat earthers think. So, very interesting. And when I noticed these, I zoomed out and then I found many more. Look here, all these balloons over the top of Bolivia, Peru, going up, some at the in the north of Peru. It's really funny. Okay, I probably will be kicked off because I am not officially logged in. But it was really funny. I had heard of this project. I was not aware that the balloons were already in the air and that you could actually track them as well. So that is really something nice. Okay, hope you like it. Sorry for the previous video that with a bad sound quality. After 2 people complained, I thought let's do one again. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to sub and push the little bell so that you get your automatic updates when I have something new. Thanks for watching, as always. Bye.